Yo guys! Today we're diving into Gemini 3.1, one of the newest and smartest AI tools out there in 2026. This thing is insanely versatile. Whether you need help with homework, coding, content creation, Gemini 3.1 has got you covered. Honestly, it's like having a super smart assistant that never sleeps. First, open your browser and search for gemini.google.com. Log in with your account, and you'll land in the workspace. From here, click on this drop-down list and select Pro. Now just type your prompt or question and hit Enter. Gemini 3.1 will give you a detailed response, and you can ask follow-ups to refine it even more. The output can be copied, exported, or used directly depending on what you need. It works perfectly on both PC and mobile, so you can use it anywhere. The uses are endless. It can help with essays and homework, generate content ideas, assist with coding, plan your schedule, or even polish your writing. Basically, if it involves words, ideas, or planning, Gemini 3.1 can handle it. There's a free tier with some limits, which is perfect for testing it out. If you want unlimited access, faster responses, or more advanced features, there's a premium subscription that's affordable for most users. Honestly, Gemini 3.1 is super powerful and can save you a ton of time while making your work way easier and more creative. If you found this helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe because it really helps me make more tech and AI content for you guys. Catch you in the next one.